Today I'm going to talk about what is the electron transparent chain and how does it allow for the slow release of energy from electrons. So the electron transport chain is like a last component of aerobic respiration and is only part of glucose metabolism to use atmospheric oxygen, which oxygen continually diffuses into plant tissues. It's usually typically through the stamina as well into fungi and bacteria. However, in animals, oxygens enter the body through the respiratory system, like the lungs, and electron transport is a series of redox reactions that resembles a relay race on bucket bridge in the electron. The electron transport chain is present with multiple copies in the inner mitochondrial membrane or eukaryote and within the plasma membrane of prokaryotes. The complex 1, the first two electrons are carried to the first complex that's NADH. This complex, labeled 1, is composed of flavin, monounsatide, and iron sulfur. This is what's containing protein. And then in the complex 2 directly receives the FADH2, which does not pass through the complex. The compounding connects the first and second complex to the third is unique B. This also delivers the electron to the next complex and the electron. The NMAs in the FDH2 from a small complex that delivers electron directly into the electron transport train, but this is bypassing the first complex. Since these electrons bypass, they do not energize the protein pump to the first complex. The complex 3 is composed to cytochrome B and another FES protein. This complex is also called the cytochrome oxidase. These proteins have protistic group of heme. The heme molecule is similar to hemoglobin, but it carries electrons, not oxygen. And then the complex 4, this one's more protein C, A, and 3. This it contains two heme groups, one in each of the two chromosomes and 3. And then the electron transport chain, that is basically the specific enzymes of the electron transport chain are unaffected by feedback inhibition.